What's up, folks? Check this out. This is not a new engine for Peugeot 205 GTI. This is actually from my washing machine. It stopped. The engine stopped running, and I think the reason is here and here, and I think I can change these guys by myself. This is not the subject of this video. I still have my Chevy's ignition switch here on the table, and I will show you that I think I found the reason why this is not working. I started to measure the resistance. First I will turn my multimeter on beep, and these 3 pins, they should be always hot, and now the ignition switch is turned in that position that it should glow the plugs. So I think I should have this pin hot also. So when I put the beeper on and connect these 2 pins, you can hear the beep, so it seems that it's all right. But check this, when I turn this to resistance, and my friend told me that when there is no connection, the resistance is of course very high, and then when these pins are connected, the resistance should be almost 0. So first, if I put this and this pin, because these are connected, you can see the resistance is 1.0 or 0.9. Then I change the pins to this one. The resistance is actually a little bit high, but it should go near 0. From some reason it's 3.6, okay. But when I connect these 2 pins, the resistance is changing and it's much higher. At some point it's, like you saw, it was over 100. So I think I found the reason that there is a bad connection with between these pins. So I think this ignition switch is totally gone, and I already actually ordered a new one. It was only 30 euros, so it's quite cheap. I hope I get the part on next week, and I hope I can start the Chevy after that. The next video will be about this Volvo. My target is started with the new gas. I have a 15 liters, so it should be enough. I will check on next video, I will check that this throttle cable is okay, and I will check the timing and also the cylinder pressures, because I want that this engine runs good when I drive this to the windshield shop when I'm driving it on the trailer and off the trailer. I am not going to glue this windshield by myself. I'm not qualified for that. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.